I'm delighted to present the all-new BMW M2 Competition to you, the ultimate compact high-performance sports car. With an even more powerful engine, it offers an unbeatable driving experience in its class. BMW M is all about acceleration. Just drive one of our M cars and you will immediately understand why 2017 was once again a record year for BMW M. Worldwide sales exceeded 80,000 cars for the first time ever. And in China, BMW M achieved a 37% increase in sales. And there is much more to come, as the BMW Group will offer 25 electrified vehicles by 2025. And this underlines our passion to shape the future of mobility, what we call visionary mobility. And that's just one reason why customers in China consider BMW to be the most attractive and innovative premium auto brand. That makes us very proud, and you can be sure that we will continue to do everything to maintain that very strong appeal.